welcome to Auto Analyst. Today we're diving into the stunning new 2025 Chevrolet Impala, a sedan that truly redefines elegance and performance. Let's take a close look at this iconic vehicle from all angles and explore its standout features both inside and out. Starting with the front, the 2025 Impala commands attention with its bold, wide grille and sleek LED headlights. The redesigned grille sports a sophisticated chrome finish, giving it a premium feel. The smooth contours of the hood blend seamlessly into the aggressive front fascia, while the headlights add a modern, sleek touch with their ultra-bright LED strips. The front end of the Impala manages to strike the perfect balance between elegance and sportiness, setting the tone for what lies ahead. As we move around to the side, the silhouette of the 2025 Impala speaks to its sophisticated design language. The car has an aerodynamic profile with clean, flowing lines that accentuate its length and low stance. The sharp character lines running from the front fender to the rear taillights give the Impala a dynamic and purposeful look, hinting at the power beneath the hood. The 18-inch alloy wheels come standard, adding a touch of ruggedness, while optional 20-inch wheels provide an even more commanding presence. The side mirrors are sleek and body-colored, featuring integrated turn signals for added safety and style. With the rear, the 2025 Impala showcases a clean, polished look with its wraparound taillights that echo the sleekness of the front LEDs. The rear bumper has been refined, sitting lower to the ground to enhance the Impala's aggressive stance. Dual exhaust outlets are integrated into the bumper, adding to the sporty appeal. The trunk offers ample storage, making it practical without compromising on from the back. The Impala looks just as impressive, embodying a perfect mix of power and elegance that will leave a lasting impression on anyone following behind. Now let's step inside. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala boasts a spacious and luxurious interior, crafted with comfort and convenience in mind. As you enter, you're greeted by premium materials, from the soft touch dashboard to the available leather-appointed seats. The cabin feels modern yet warm, with a design that's both driver-focused and accommodating for passengers. The 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering easy access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring you're always connected. The interior space is generous, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making long drives comfortable for everyone. The heated and ventilated front seats are perfect for all seasons, while the dual-zone climate control lets each passenger customize their temperature preferences. The Impala is also packed with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Thanks for joining us here at Auto Analyst, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.